Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing cherry bars, and it's another one of my fast, easy, budget-friendly recipes. And I want to thank all of the Canadians today for this beautiful weather we're having in Georgia today. It's a real nice cool front that came through and pushed all that hot, oppressive air out, and we really are enjoying it, and it is a beautiful day today. So let me get started on this recipe. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting in my sugar, and this recipe will be in the description below. And then I'm going to put in my butter. And I'm going to cream it just a little bit. I added my sugar and my butter. I just now got it creamed, and I had to take my mat out because it was slipping on me. So now I'm going to be adding my beaten egg in. That's 2 eggs. And now I'm going to be adding my vanilla. And my almond extract. I'm going to cream all this together. This was my wet ingredients, so now I'm going to be adding in my dry ingredients, which is all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt in here. So I'm going to stir that up. And I'm going to be adding this a little at a time. I'm going to put half of my batter in this 8x8 Pyrex bowl. Can you smell that almond extract, Calvin?
Let me come a little closer and see if I can smell it. Oh yeah, I smell it. It smells good.
Yeah.
Looks good. I can't wait for this one to get done. We're going to have that with supper tonight?
Yeah.
We haven't decided what we're going to have for supper yet, have we?
No, but we had some zucchini and squash that came out of our garden. It wasn't a whole lot because it's just getting started, but we can saute that up with a type of meat.
Yeah, that'd be good.
We
Fresh,
can have some type of meat, I don't know
Yeah.
what yet.
yeah, fresh vegetables out of the garden sounds good.
Yeah. It certainly does. Okay. Put this on next. There's so many different recipes that you can do with cherries, and you can't hardly go wrong with cherries. They're so good. And when you put your cherries on, you don't want to blend them into your batter. You just want to put them on top. Okay,
That looks real good, Marie.
the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rest of my batter on the pot and just tablespoons full. Just let it fall where it falls. Let me get this off my hand. Let me get a paper towel. Okay, this is how it looks, and then when it bakes for 30 minutes, I'll be back. Okay, my cherry pie bars have just finished baking. Man, they smell good and they look good too.
Let me get over closer and see them better. Yes, they look good.
And I'll put my almond extract in. When this cooks just a little bit longer, I'll be back. When this cools just a little bit longer, I'll be back. Okay, everyone, I'm back, and so this is my cherry pie bars, and they've cooled, and so now I'm going to put the icing on them. I'm just going to drizzle it over it. Okay. Now then I'm going to cut them. Now I want to say the first one is the hardest to get out. And I think they're
Oh my,
right.
that looks good. I like the way that looked.
Here they are. Okay, I'm going to get a sample taste of it. That's very tasty. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.